Are you dealing with recurring internal conflict? Problems that have a recurring pattern and refuse to go away irrespective of how hard you try? What if I tell you Hirapur Yogini's temple has the solution for it? Right now, we are at the outer circle of Hirapur Yoginis, and the outer circle has 9 Katyayanis. She here is Katyayani number 5. Now see, if we look at the 9 Katyayanis or the number Katyayanis, we will think that they look different, but actually there is one similar feature between all of them. The Katyayani here, like other Katyayanis, is standing over a severed head. The severed head is that of Rakta Bija. We can see here there are 2 animals on either side. One is a dog and one is a jackal. The dog here is looking at her and the jackal is sniffing something on the ground, or we can say licking something off the ground, licking the blood of Rakta Bija. And she has a female attendant here who's holding an umbrella. Everything has a meaning. If we look at the female attendant holding the umbrella, that signifies protection. Ma actively protects her devotees against any sort of problems. Rakta Bija had the boon of multiplying by thousands wherever his drop of blood fell. And Ma slew Rakta Bija and she is standing over the severed head of Rakta Bija. That signifies your recurring problems, recurring karmas that you have no solution of, only Ma can deal with that and save you. And yes, we see the dog here and the jackal here. The dog signifies protection. The jackal licking the blood of the ground, it signifies purification. The 9 Katyayanis here don't just protect the sadhak, they also purify the environment. And when we are talking about the jackal licking the blood of the ground, it is purifying the environment as well as the life of the sadhak. So next time you come to Hirapur here, other than the 64 yoginis inside, the 9 Katyayanis outside should also take your attention. If you are dealing with any recurring patterns, problems, internal conflicts, loss of self-esteem, even women with maternity issues, the Kripa mantra of Ma is Om Devi Skandamatai Namaha. Chanting it will give you internal peace and it will ease your problems.